Hello, this is a population of pom-poms. They are all in the same gene pool because they all interact with each other, and there are two different alleles, which means types of a gene. There is the light-haired allele and the dark-haired allele. Now, right now the variety is about 50% of each of them. So there's 10 of each. So if I randomly grab these and pair them up, we're going to find out that is a heterozygous one. Let's try this. We have a homozygous for light color. That means two of the same. We have a homozygous for dark. And then I'm just going to randomly start pairing these up here. So based off of how these get lined up, the population is going to have different varieties. And the main ways you get varieties in a population is from mutations and migration, but there can also be some non-random mating and a few other things that can play an effect, or there could be a genetic shift. Maybe a member of the population leaves, for example, or maybe it's a small population that maybe a tornado comes through and wipes some of them out. So I'm going to put all of these back in the bowl in our gene pool here. But this time, randomly, there is a mutation. So one of the light-haired ones, which is the weaker of the traits, goes away, and we're going to replace it with a yellow one. So now we'll mix these up again, and it just so happens to be that the yellow mutation is actually a really great trait. So let's pretend I did this with all of them, but that yellow trait outcompetes anybody with this trait. So if you have two light colored genes, those ones are going to go away. Oh boy, we got a lot of light colored ones this time. So all of these guys are the weaker of the species now, and they are gone. And they're going to get replaced by this, because this is the stronger of them. So before time, do we still have 50% of each of them? No, we don't. So our gene pool has changed, and because this mutation, which is actually a good thing, over time you're going to see this showing up more and more often in the gene pool. So that is what you call genetic drift, when genes are changing over time in the gene pool. So we're getting some new varieties here, and some of them are going to be better than others. And that's kind of how natural selection works. Survival of the fittest. Whoever's got the best traits, that's who's going to survive. So I hope that helped this concept make sense to you.